The fastest, easiest, and most accurate 3D rendering solution is now more powerful than ever with a streamlined user interface, accelerated rendering speeds, and a variety of rich new features. Upon startup, enjoy immediate access to your recent work and latest news from the KeyShot 5 welcome screen. Configure the application window to suit your personal workflow with the ability to dock the project and library together, stacked, or side by side. Right-click on the tabs to display icons, text, or both. An expanded menu and new Tools ribbon provide quick access to common commands, functions, and features, such as Add Geometry, Add to Queue, Core Usage, and camera movement modes that now make navigation easier for touchpad users. In the library, Pantone colors have been updated and material thumbnails now provide a more accurate representation of textures and physical properties. In addition, you can now work faster and more efficiently when replacing materials in your scene with the option to retain textures and labels on drag and drop. New procedural texture types like cellular, cloth weave, and color gradient help you create the perfect custom materials. With interactive adjustment sliders, see all changes to your textures occurring live in real time. Work faster with familiar scenes by taking advantage of the new Favorites tab, which allows you to create collections of commonly used resources grouped in a centralized location for quick and easy access. Want access to more resources? KeyShot Cloud is a fully integrated online library where you can quickly upload and share your own custom materials, backplates, textures, and environments, as well as browse, search, and download to use directly in your scene. In addition to interface and workflow improvements, enhancements under the hood have made KeyShot's rendering speed and frame per second calculation over twice as fast. Features like the new pattern tool allow you to have more complex scenes without increasing file size. Create linear or radial patterns of independently behaving models or groups, and use live linking or update geometry to push over CAD changes to all of the instance models. The new Render Output Image Editor allows you to interactively make adjustments to exposure, color, and effects as your image renders. Once your image is complete, quickly save out variations without having to re-render. In addition to still image improvements, powerful new animation features give you more ways to showcase your design. Fade animations allow you to animate opacity of models for dynamic part layering visualizations, or as transitions between animations or camera switch events, making it possible to compose your entire animation in one file without having to use video editing software to piece together segments. Enable motion blur in the Settings tab with animations applied to your scene to render dynamic stills and animations. Also impressive are the new advanced features for users of KeyShot Pro. NURBS data import and rendering allows you to keep file size small with low poly models, yet still have the ability to render high quality smooth edges when desired by entering NURBS mode. Use match perspective to eliminate the camera position guesswork when aligning your model to a backplate. The new Sun and Sky system, found in the HDRI editor, generates physically accurate geographic lighting for the creation of unlimited daylight scenarios. Also new to the HDRI editor is the addition of image pins to help you achieve the perfect reflection or highlight, as well as new blend and fall-off modes for greater flexibility. Perhaps the most awaited Pro feature is now here. Scene sets allow you to link cameras and view sets to scene tree configurations. Scene sets make it possible to set up and organize an entire virtual photo shoot in one file. Toggle through scene sets to showcase your work like never before. Finally, Pro users can now take their projects to the next level and prep their files for 3D print directly in KeyShot by exporting to STL or ZPR. So as you can see, with a streamlined interface, speed increases, animation enhancements, and powerful Pro features, KeyShot 5 truly is the fastest, easiest, and most accurate 3D rendering solution for you and your 3D data. Download and explore a free trial now at keyshot.com/try.